Hello, welcome to this video. We're here with Jess Rose,
Hello.
who's a singer, songwriter, composer. And we've got one of her tracks here on this Logic project called Stars Align. And in the next few lectures, we're actually going to record Jess's vocals. We're going to use the SEX1 mic, and we're going to a Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. And we're going to document the process, and also we're going to do some post-production processes after we've recorded the vocals. So Jess, could you just quickly tell us about the song?
Yes, this is a song I wrote probably almost a year ago now. Started acoustic and then I built it up into a full band arrangement, but still keeping that kind of mellower vibe. Got a few organic sounds in there, used some with the percussion. It's all kind of hand-based instead of actual drum kit. So yeah, it's a song. It was a song about a relationship that I wrote, and hopefully you like it.
So did you actually perform in some of these parts yourself?
All of them.
All of them?
So,
okay,
yeah,
nice.
So I've got, not everything. I didn't do the bass.
Okay.
But yeah, we've got things like we had an empty guitar case and I was kind of doing a little rhythm on there, throwing some keys around. It was good fun.
Yeah.
But it's not finished yet, work in progress.
Yep, she has got some plugins here that we're not going to be using, but I think it still sounds fine. But the main thing for this project is to get the vocals down. So we want to get a good quality recording on the vocals with a medium price microphone and audio interface. And obviously we're going to apply some post-production processes afterwards.